This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. It's my pleasure to be here helping you with playing the guitar. In this video, we're going to go over a strumming pattern that we learned long ago, but we're going to apply it in a new context. So this strumming pattern has 4 down strums. This is actually the first strumming pattern we learned in the lesson series, but we're going to use it as an introductory look at playing chords in the jazz style in a swing context. So it's going to be super fun. After we've looked at this strumming pattern and worked on it a little bit together, of course, we'll jam together on a chord progression with the band, you, me, and the band. We'll have bass and drum accompaniment, so it'll be super fun. This video accompanies lesson 14 from my Chords and Harmony Books 1 and 2 method book. In the book for this video, we're going to be on page 92. This is strumming pattern letter U on page 92. We got the chord progression that we're going to jam together on right there on that page as well. Okay, so when we learned how to do this strumming pattern, I'll just demonstrate on an E chord. We just did down strumming and we let the chords ring. But in a jazz context, in a jazz swing context, we want to control the end of the chord as well. This strumming pattern tends to only be used with movable chords. So you will see there with number 9, we're using F sharp minor, C sharp minor, and B minor, and C sharp 7. Now I'm going to go ahead and pull from lesson 22 where we learn how to add minor 7ths onto those chords. So I'm going to actually play F sharp minor 7, B minor 7, C sharp minor 7, and then I'll still just use C sharp 7 because that's a little bit jazzier. So you can play along with the bar chords that we've learned previously that all match these ones with number 9 that don't have the 7ths, but if you would like to, you can also flip ahead and see how to alter them. It's kind of easy. We'll get a jazzier sound happening that way. So that's how I'll be demonstrating this with F sharp minor there in second position. So what happens with this particular strumming pattern is that we have to control the end of the strumming pattern. So I do that by lifting my hand off the strings but not completely releasing them. So if you just lift up with your fingers, then you will get a finger cutoff, so to speak. It stops the chords from ringing and we create this real percussive sound. So I just go ahead nice and slow and I'm just lifting up, squeezing to play as I strum, and then lifting up shortly after I have finished. Basically right before I strum again. Now there's different variations that we can use in the swing style, but we'll just kind of get comfortable using this just with 4 down strums just like that. You can practice it on each of the chords. We've got the C sharp minor chord. I just played C sharp minor 7. We got the B minor chord. We'll also have C sharp 7. So that's how we get that happening. If we let things ring over, we don't get a real good feel happening. So it's going to be fun to jam together on this chord progression, number 9, so you can get used to this one. So number 9, this one's going to happen twice, first at a slower tempo and then at a faster tempo. We got the bass and drums helping us with the swing fill. It's really fun to get this strumming pattern happening with these chords so you can get what it really feels like to have that swing fill happening. So super fun. Let's go ahead and jam together on these. right, we are off to a great start with this swing comping. In the next video, we're going to take a look at strumming patterns V, W, X, and Y, and learn how to sort of improvise using those types of patterns to comp in a more pianistic way in the jazz style. So it's going to be super great. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.